We're going to venture up the river today. Go upriver. It's real pretty back in there. We just started. Just parked the truck and we're going to get back in there and the water's going to clear up real good and fish these little pockets here and there. So get back with you. Come on, boy, catch one. Good gosh. That, you have to go get that one. Nice little old bass, hitting that little top water. Good deal, man. Tyler's trying to get him one. So, get back with you. Caught one with a small one. Nice little bass. Little Tyler down there.
You got a small one too.
Good deal, man. Hey, you want to put that one on the wall? Casting up against this little log right there. It's only about a foot deep there, but they get holed up in those little calm areas along the river. There you go. Oh, it's starting to get real pretty back in here. All right. Colton got want a little bit more size to it. Good deal, man. Need some help with that one? Okay. Nice little bluegill. Yeah, be careful, man. Hooks are nice and sharp. Get him undone. I want to see the colors on that dude. Yeah, pretty fish. Okay. Alright, Colton caught a nice bass. Good old river bass right here. One of the bigger ones that we've caught recently. Lip them. Oh yeah. Pretty bass.
I need some help.
Alright, I'll give you a hand. Nice bass, man. Casting out against that log over there. They're pretty stacked in there. A little deep hole. Good catch, man.
I didn't even hook it.
What's that?
I didn't even hook it. Wait.
Hooked itself, huh?
Yeah.
Need some help with that?
Yeah.
Alright. Bluegill, they got real pretty colors when you catch them in the river. Well, we're really getting into the fishing right now. I just caught me a nice bass. So, and Colton's got another one over there. Nice bluegill. Okay. So, I'm not going to film any more of the smaller fish, the bluegill, small bluegill and bass. So, I will film, you know, some bigger fish. Because it looks like we're going to be catching for a while. Alright, get back with you. You good? Nice one. You saw the bait busting the surface right there, and Colton cast it right in the middle of that bait, hit the surface. And they're still getting busted on the surface. See if Tyler can get one. Twitch it, twitch it. Anyways, we'll pull one out of there. We had a triple. Mine just flew out of my hands. Colton got one. And then Tyler got one. All out of the same hole. Another water snake over there. There he is.
And he got one. I got one.
Colton's got a fish behind me. First snake I've seen on this stretch in a while. He don't want any part of us. The old yellow-bellied water snake. An old bass. Yo. What's up?
I just saw a big spot.
Alright, keep on going.
Oh, he's going to get that shadow over there.
Right. Tyler's on board with a good bass. Well, a good, healthy river bass there. Next time, don't reel it in too far. Leave yourself some slack. And Colton's got a trophy there, Bella. Nice. That's a wall mounter. Hey, put them in your pocket.
Yeah.
Hard. Grip them hard. A little death grip on them. Just work them hooks out slow. I mentioned this is a great place to look for arrowheads and artifacts. I haven't been really looking too hard. So I'm just walking through the water. Found a fossilized tooth way back yonder. Looks like a could be either a camel or a old buffalo tooth, but it's petrified. Thousands and thousands of years old, more likely. Cool, man.
Yeah.
So I look for some points now. It's good to look to this gravel. So while they're fishing, I'm kind of around. Right there. Pick that up, Colton. Let me get right on it. There it is. Go ahead. Straight ahead. Right there. There you go. Another fossilized tooth. Big one.
I never saw.
Okay. Hold it in your hand. Flatten it out. Oh yeah. Nice and petrified. Cool. You know there's some points around here.
I think I...
See something?
No.
Well, it got pretty darn hot out here, so kind of cool off in the water. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Nice little area. That's where I found that little buffalo tooth a little bit ago. Does that feel better? Huh?
I'm gonna go on my buddy.
Does that feel a little better?
Hurts my head.
Does that feel a little better?
Oh yeah.
Look, it's a river carney. And another one.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh my God. I can't do it. This is the best thing in my life. This is way better than 3 hours. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Imagine if we were doing this in 3 hours.
Oh, hey, freaking cottonmouth coming right behind y'all.
Stop. Oh, it's starting to get good. This looks good.